I've done some modifications here. There's the capacitance on the amplifier that was there before, but I've added a 22 ohm resistor in series with this 16 ohm, I think it is, speaker, and that does seem to have improved things. It's reduced the volume obviously, but if I turn it on, it's quite quiet, but there's no distortion there. Now there is a volume control and I've turned that up a little bit, but it's still pretty quiet. It's audible, but fairly quiet. Now what I do have is a speaker attached, or it will be when I plug it in there, which is now attached to the headphone output. So this is what the headphones would hear, and it's going to be a lot louder. So you can see that it's okay. So if I do some calculations,
equals 0.1428
and that's well, I think that's pretty much as good as the chip actually goes.
Equals 0.1428
So what else have we got? So I think it's actually turning Jan and Sat into Saturday, so the cat sat on the mat would actually be the cat Saturday on the mat, which might be worth trying. How can I do that? Let's go to save and try where is it? I haven't got legends on my keys here. Yeah, it's not perfect, but so through the headphones it's fine. But through the speaker, let's see if we can make it say the same thing. Yeah, try make it. So I think that's an improvement. I might experiment with some different values of resistor there and maybe turn the volume up. But I think the main problem is you're never going to get a huge amount of volume out of this this setup here, simply because you don't have the power to do that. It's not designed for pulling large amounts of power out of the organiser. But that's looking a lot better. I think what I'll do is put all these modifications into a version 2. Thank you. Into a version 2 and send that off to get manufactured, because I think this is probably about as close as it's going to get to the final speech unit.